2 rides on Triple Play, and those clouds don't look good right there. They do not look good. Looks like all the coasters are down for weather, but Triple Play's open. The little flat rides are. Do not rain on us, please. Not open. There's no rain. It must be lightning in the area because it's not even nothing. Well, Bridge and Bull's about this test right here, and it'll be a ghost train because there's nobody on it. There's people.
Trash cans to the token.
Yeah. But keep moving. No, oh, no lie. This is the line to get into Raging Bull once they open up. Nobody in the queue. These people are waiting. And it started to drip. Oh boy. Then we got shelter over here. Rain shear right there, if you can see it. And it's dripping out here. I think we're gonna be down for rain again. Oops, sorry. Here it comes. Maybe they're seeking shelter for being down there. I don't know.
The line cleared a little bit.
Well, yeah, everybody got in here.
Now it's down that way.
Yeah.
It just cleared a little.
That's the line now for Raging Bull. And just like that, they closed Giant Drop.
I wanted to let y'all know that all them little actresses right there, you count them all been back.
Down for weather. Oh yeah, absolutely hell effing no. That's definitely an hour wait. Nah, this not open yet. Nothing's open. Well, this thing's open, but God, look at that line. No way. Ooh, testing.
That man's out of its key.
Yep. I'm gonna try my first ever fish and chips. First time ever here. Let's see how that goes. Alright, this is the fish and chips from, what's this place called again? I never ate here before. We got the name already, so I don't know. It's tartar sauce, big fish fillet right here, and these waffle fries like any other place. So I'm gonna get a piece of lemon, so let's try this out. I just got the with the claim jumpers and got the fish and chips. It was alright. It's tartar sauce was sweet. Fish was old, kind of. It's okay. I probably won't be able to get it again. Not my thing. So yeah, it's alright.
Guys, try not to feed them. We don't want them to bite anything. Okay?
Yeah,
Don't touch them. I know. They're yeah, don't touch them, guys.
That one was just like totally sitting.
There they go there. Holy cow, this is the line to get back into Little Dipper? Oh, no way. Absolutely not. Oh, yeah, ready? Should I not get it? Big Bird came and got it. He's walking into his little shed. Bye-bye. He's like, that's mine. Oh, yeah, he took it. Trying to figure out how he's gonna take that and fly with it.
It's too big.
Now the other one took it. Yep, that's the line from Max Force. Full queue house over there. Starting over here. And it's getting worse and worse and worse. No thank you. I don't know if you can see it, but that is supposed to be the camera. Supposedly. One of the cameras maybe. Because there's the sensor for the thing, so I don't know what they're gonna do.
Oh, there is going to. They installed TVs and stuff, so they're adding it.
And we're out of here.
Are we back tonight?
No.
Have a nice night. Bye-bye.
So that concludes this vlog. It's too hot, humid. Water park's not even open. Back lot's getting used. I thought the kids would be back in school, but obviously not. Not yet. Either that or everybody just decided to take off school today because it's pretty busy with little kids everywhere.
Playing hooky this
Yeah,
day.
teenagers and kids. I don't even see any school buses, so ain't no field trips. So yeah, I don't see a single school bus, so yeah, definitely school's not in session yet. See ya.
Bye-bye.